So in this video I'm going to show you how to join Scratch. Remember I shared this document. Don't forget I use a dark Microsoft Word and it's only dark in the night. So remember I sent this document on how to join the Scratch community. So let me show you. First, you go to the Scratch website by clicking on this URL, which I have done here. Okay, and then you just click on, see what I say here. To create an account, you click on Join Scratch button. So I'll click on it, choose Ramat, and then I will specify. You can see I was going to say that, but I want it to happen. If that name has been taken, I have to use another name. My name is Ramat, so I would like to use Ramsoft. If it is not taken, I'll be good to go. So fine, that is not taken, so I'll be choosing a nice password. Okay, and it must be matching. Okay, alright, because I say show my password, that's why you can see it. I want you to see that it must be matching. Okay, so I'll click on next. I needed to actually see Scratch. Can you see there is something missing? So if they are not matching, you will see password don't match. So let's correct that. Okay, can you see I've corrected it now? Everything matched as the first and the second. So I'll click on next. I can choose to save. So I want to pick the country I live in. I can either scroll down to select the country I live in, or I can just press my letter N on my keyboard. Then it just moves quickly to where Nigeria is. So I'll select Nigeria. I can use my mouse, or I can use my keyboard to press enter while I'm on the Nigeria. So I've clicked it, and then I'll click on next. When were you born? So let's say I was born in May, and then I just want to be very young. So let's say I was born in 2011. Okay, and then I will go next. So what is your gender? Say Scratch welcomes people of all genders. So in Nigeria, we are either male or female, but I'm a female. Just don't let us do with all this. Just say female or male. Just ignore the rest and click on next. Then what is your email address? This, you will need your mom's email address. Okay, if your mom has not created email for you and you are not 13 years old yet, so mommy will just will use mommy's email address. So I'll just use mine because I am teaching you how to create an account, and then I will say create. So it's trying to confirm that I'm actually human being, alright, and I'm not sort of bot. So it says I should select all squares with traffic light. So I'll pick all of it. This is it. I don't need to pick this because it will show other. So it's usually about 3 or 4 images that it would want to check if I am human. And you might be curious about all these other icons. This is for it to reload. This is if I cannot see and I rather want it to talk to me. Okay, so and then this is if I need help. So I'll click on verify because I can see and I've selected the traffic lights. So it's loading, and then it says welcome to Scratch Ramsoft. You are now logged in. You can start exploring and creating projects. So I'll click on get started. So I will just quickly open my email to confirm my account. You can see I need to confirm that email. So I'm just opening another tab now, and then I'll go to my Gmail. So you would get this help with your mom. she would open her email and you would be able to confirm. So I use a Gmail and it's loading. I would want to confirm my account. Okay, so this is not the email I used. I'm just going to head over to the email. Alright, so I'm going there now. I will check my inbox and I would confirm it, and I will be back to scratch, and I can start creating amazing projects. Okay, so let me refresh this. If it is not in my inbox, it should be in my, let me check my promotion. Nothing is here as well. Let me check this. Social, nothing is there. Okay, so I can't see any email from here. So I'll go back to my Scratch. Confirm your email. So confirm your email by clicking on this in the email we sent to you. So I didn't get it, so I'll just say we send confirmation email. Okay, so I need to enter that my password I created because I did not get the confirmation email. So I will send. I'm able to just click that because I asked my Google to remember my password, and because it's mine. Let me check my email again. Sometimes there may be trouble in receiving email. So now you can see it's here now. Confirm your Scratch account. So it has sent it twice. So I can just pick the most recent one. I think they came in at the same time. So I'll either click on confirm my email address or I click on this link. So let me click on confirm my email address. So it says success, you have confirmed your email address, Ramsocks. Okay, let's go. So I'll click on the okay, let's go, and I am now in the Scratch environment. Just so you know that Scratch can also be an app. Okay, I can also download Scratch. So I have Scratch on this my Mac. Remember, I use a Mac, so this is Scratch here. I can launch it as an app, but because I really want you to be part of the community, okay, that's why I want you to create an account with Scratch, okay, and then you will be able to learn faster. Once you know how to use Scratch very well, this is my Scratch loading on my computer. You can also install it on your computer. Once you know how to use Scratch very well, you can make do with the one on your computer, or when there is no internet, you can always use the Scratch on your computer. But with internet, that is when you get to use the one online, and you can share projects and all. So in my next video, we are going to see how to create anybody's following me, and then I have also not comment on anybody's project. So let me go back to create. Let's see what experience, finish, set up your project or your profile. Now in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a project. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.